Whistle! Oh, for real. This way. Which way?
This way. This way. Here, can you hold my gun? This way.
Yeah.
The ghillies gotta go.
That's right. Yeah, it is pretty cool. Can I fire this?
Yeah. It's on safety.
Yeah, this is a bulky gun. I like it.
It's strong.
Dude, your sight is so nice.
Yeah, no, it doesn't work that much.
I like it though.
Oh, it's getting darker, which makes it better. But
oh yeah. Hopefully it'll get dark this round.
You usually stay back and then take high ground.
We just need the overall firepower.
Yeah.
3 people is way better.
3 is better than 2.
Overman them.
Push for the barriers. Let's go. Huh? Where?
Up that way. Push back. Behind it.
I'm covering, come. Ah, hit! Nate! I'm hit. Matthew's at the shed. He's gonna push from that way.
1,
Thank you.
2, 3, 4.
Watch out, watch out. I'm too fogged, dude. I can't see shit.
Get behind here. I can cover.
Nolan's gonna be right behind us.
He's not pushing.
Is he on the left still?
He's pushing now.
Nolan? Where is Nolan?
Flashlight's straight past. I need a new flashlight.
Where is Nolan?
He's right there. He's
Okay,
He's
okay.
dead. He's dead.
Oh,
he's running down.
okay.
No, Nolan's flashlight is so good. Mine is so blunt.
Yeah, dude, he's like a searchlight.
Yeah, I can't see my bullet. Nolan got a new flashlight. So good.
Where's Matthew?
Cooper
He dropped back a little bit.
Where's Cooper? Cooper was behind one of those.
Okay, right?
I don't know, I'm fogged. Watch out, he can shoot to here. Oh, I found Cooper! Get his ass! Friendly! Don't shoot me. I mean, he did twice, so I have to put it out there. Hit! I got a defog.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh. Ah. Ah.
You got Cooper and Nolan?
Oh, shit.
Nolan.
Damn!
My gun's not functioning. It's like not shooting straight.
Watch out, don't see me. You shot me like 3 times, dog.
What?
Stop.
Let's go, Colin.
Jab me up, bro.
I need ammo soon, but Matthew's probably waiting until we have to go back.
Huh? Let's go, Colin.
And my gun's cooking. I can't see my bullet. I can see the bullet.
I gave you the bullets. Oh, this is the flashlight. Matthew's over here, so let's quick swap. No, he's right there. I see him. He's right there.
In the... Oh, it's on there.
No, I didn't get hit, but I knew I was gonna get killed.
I just gotta make sure, though. I just gotta make sure, though. Right in the Liberty. Beautiful. Colin wiped both your teammates on his own.
Did I hit you or did you give up?
He gave up. He surrendered. I shot him in the Liberty thing. Yo.
I was cooking. I saw Nolan and people.
I'm kind of hungry. I see yo.
Are the bowls at Smoothie King good?
So good.
I used to see it in my...
What?
You have to say it, bro.
I did 4 times.
Oh, that's my bad. Too loud. My gun's too loud. Oh, I'm getting. Huh?
Matthew's like over there. Nolan's there.
Okay.
You see Nolan? Matthew's to the right. Watch out. My light works so much better in the dark. And there's nothing in the light. Is that Coop?
Huh? No, I killed Cooper in the trench.
Yeah, but is that him?
Oh, yeah.
Don't spawn kill. Matthew, he's barely visible. It's not my flashlight. See Matthew? He's over there. He's there. You see my flashlight? That's where Matthew is. Alright, I'm gonna save him right.
Hey!